Okay, so example 8 here has us working with this sum formula, just kind of in a different direction, starting with different known information. So rather than figuring out what the sum is, it's going to give us the sum. It's going to say the sum of this series is 21.31 for n equals 5. And we want to figure out what was the first term. If the first 5 terms total up to 21, and we know that the rate at which these terms change is by 1/2, so each term gets half as big as the next. What was that first term? Well, we just take this, we put in our 21.3125 as our series sum on the left. We put in our rate, we put in the number of terms we have all that information, and once we have it, we can start simplifying. So 1/2 to the 5th gives us 1/32. Um, on the bottom, we get 1 minus 1/2, so we get 1/2. Multiply both sides by, well, I guess that's not what they're doing. They're doing it slightly different. So A1 minus 1/32 A1 would be 31/32 A1 divided by 1/2. Whatever we're dividing by a fraction, we just take the bottom number and bring it to the top as a factor. So we'll just take it to the top and multiply by 2. So rather than 31 over 32, now we have 31 over 16. Okay, at that point, we can multiply both sides by 16. So multiply by 16, then divide by 31, right? That's what they're saying here. They're saying multiply each side by the reciprocal so that this fraction cancels out. So if we did that, evidently we get 11. So that's all they're really asking for, is to just take this sum formula and be comfortable working with it no matter what particular information you're given. So maybe they would give you the first term, the sum of the series, the amount of terms in the series, and maybe they'd ask you for the rate at some point. So, just want to be able to use this formula and plug in whatever information that we know to find whatever information we don't.